Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can use Executescript method to perform lots of touch actions in iPhone simulator and a lot of other things that you can do actually with Executescript. So let us see what are they. So first thing that you can do is selecting a value from picker field. Now you can use send keys method, but if send keys doesn't work in some cases, then you can use this Executescript to pick value from picker field or drop down in iPhone simulator or a real phone. Then you can also do the scrolling, swiping actions using Executescript. I have noticed that when I was doing swiping using the touch action, it didn't work on iPhone simulator, but it worked with the scroll method in Executescript. Now we can also do pinch, double tap, touch and hold tap. All these touch actions are possible using Executescript, and we can also install remove terminate app as well. And apart from that, you can also enroll the Face ID. We have already seen this in earlier lectures. We can send matching, non-matching face after registering the Face ID using Executescript. So here is one example. I'll just take you to the IntelliJ. Over here you can see there is one example regarding this. So what we are doing here is we are using this scroll method of in Executescript. We are doing scrolling action using Executescript here. We are scrolling down. You can see the direction is down. If you want to scroll up, you can just replace this down by up. So this is one example that I've included here, and another example here is selecting a value from picker wheel. So you can see here we have passed select picker wheel value to this Executescript method, and parameters are this. So what happens is each value from the picker field will be selected. 0.15 means select next value. If you want to select previous value, you can just put here previous instead of next. And similarly, you can use different actions as well. So I'm going to execute this program, so you will get an idea how it is working. Here is iPhone simulator up and running. As you can see, it is selecting the values from that picker wheel month, June, July, August. I have put the for loop there, so it is selecting each value one by one. So that's it in this video. If you have more questions regarding this Executescript method, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.